Hey everybody, welcome back to Success with Teresa. If you've ever tried changing prices on dozens or even hundreds of Shopify products, then you already know it can be incredibly time consuming. Whether you're running a flash sale, raising prices because your supplier increased costs, or preparing for Black Friday, changing prices one product at a time just isn't practical. So today, I'm going to show you an app that can help automate the process. It's called Platmart Bulk Price Editor. And in just a few minutes, you'll see how it can help you update prices across your Shopify store without dealing with spreadsheets or manually editing every product. So let's jump in. Before we get into the demo, let's talk about why this matters. Imagine that you have 500 products or 2,000 products or even 10,000 products. Now imagine trying to change every price manually. That's hours of work. And one small mistake could cost you money. A bulk price editor helps you update large groups of products in just a few clicks while reducing the chance of pricing errors. Now, the app I'm using today is called Platmart. And one thing I like is that it doesn't just let you change prices. You can also bulk edit, compare at prices, schedule sales ahead of time, undo price changes with one click, target products by collection, tag, sales status, or individual section, even edit active sales without stopping them. Now, let's see how it works. All right, I'm going to switch over to my Shopify dashboard. As you watch, notice how quickly we can update prices across multiple products instead of editing each one individually.
You've got 500 products in your Shopify store. Cost just changed, and you need to set margin to 60% for all of them. 2 minutes, let me show you how. Here's the problem. Shopify already shows you margin inside admin, but there is no way to change it directly. You can only change price and see how the margin will adjust accordingly. This works fine for one product, but if you have hundreds of products, it is too much manual work. We will be using Platmart Bulk Price Editor. It's an app that I created specifically for bulk price operations. It has one little known feature that allows you to set prices based on target margin. Inside app, we need to go to Create Task, and we will see a bunch of actions that we can take on a price. We can increase it, we can decrease it, we can set new price, but in our example, we need to set a margin. Quick note that this action will only work for products that already have cost per item set in Shopify. If some products don't have this field, then they will be skipped because we can't calculate new price correctly. Let's set margin to 60% and let's select the product. We can also apply the same changes to World Store, to selected collections or selected tags. Let's click Create. Now the app will start running. It will load prices from Shopify, make a backup, and then calculate new price based on cost per item. Once it's complete, we can go to Details, and here we can see that our price was changed from 100 to 125. Let's go back to Shopify and verify changes. Yes, the new price was set, and if we click on Details, we can see that margin now is set to 60%. This is how you can easily change price based on target margin using Platmart Price Editor. Now, if you want to roll back these changes, you can do it in one click. You can go back to the list and click Rollback and confirm it. The app will restore the original prices, and if you go back to Shopify, you can see that the price is now set back to 100. So that's bulk margin editing. It works for selected products, it works for collections, it works for World Store, and the app makes backup for every single change, so you can undo them if needed. Link to the app in the description. If you are running a store where prices are changing often, this will save you hours of work.
Now, one feature I really appreciate is a rollback option. Let's say you accidentally change prices the wrong way. Instead of fixing every product manually, You can undo the changes with a single click. That's a huge time saver. Another nice feature is scheduled sales. Instead of staying awake until midnight waiting to launch your promotion, you can schedule everything in advance and let the app do the work automatically. Now, this app is especially useful if you own a Shopify store, run seasonal sales, frequently update pricing, have hundreds or thousands of products, or manage multiple collections. If you only have 5 products, you probably don't need it. But as your store grows, tools like this can save you hours every month. Overall, if you're looking for a faster way to update prices in Shopify, Platmart is definitely worth checking out. It offers a free plan for smaller stores, and paid plans add features like unlimited tasks, scheduled sales, and larger product limits. If you'd like to try it for yourself, I placed my link in the pinned comment section below. If you decide to use it, purchasing through my link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. So if this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Success with Teresa, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Every week, I share software reviews, AI tools, Shopify apps, and online business tips to help you work smarter and grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.